Hello everybody, welcome back to another AI video. In this one, I want to show you how to do video face swapping, and I'm going to show you how to do it for free. That's right, this is free AI at the moment. There's no cost to this, and you'll see here that I've got the Leonardo DiCaprio, but I've kind of spliced him in with Tom Cruise, and yeah, it's done a pretty good job. It's free, it's also like 2 clicks. That's all you need to do. So enough of the talk, let's get right into this. The first step, and I'll show you right here, is you want to go to swapface.org. So I'm just going to put this, I'm going to put a link in the description, swapface.org. You'll see here that I'm on there. When you do that, you'll see that it's got download for Windows. This only currently works on Windows. It doesn't work on Mac. If you want to use a Mac, I'll show you in another video, another tool that will work for that. This is PC only at the moment. Okay, once you've downloaded it, again, keep in mind that it's totally free for now. You're going to be able, you'll have to run through an install. And once it's installed, you're going to see this right here. This is the program. So it starts off on stream face swap. So if you want to do streaming and you want to, swap your face in for one of these models or somebody else, go ahead and do that. But in this one, and it also does picture face swap as well. But for this one, we're going to do video face swap. Once you're logged in, you'll see a whole bunch of options like uploading your own video, which works great. But for this tutorial, I just want to show you really quickly how to do it, and then I'll let you guys play around with it, of course, later. So for this one, I'm going to select one of these pre-built ones. I'm going to click on the infamous Leonardo DiCaprio Great Gatsby thing going on here. And then when I do that, it allows me to pick a face to swap. So I'm going to swap out, what, you want to swap out Toby? Let's swap out Toby. Okay, so we're going to swap out Tobey Maguire. I'm going to click choose. And then on the left side, so we've selected the video and you'll see it's here. On the right side, we can choose one of the models. Now, these models over here are default models that come with it. But you'll see here, and where this gets really interesting, is you can upload your own model. So what I've done is I've uploaded an image of Madonna now, and she looks like an alien. She looks like the dude from Saw, the clown mask guy. I've got Tom Cruise. I've got Jason Momoa. All you got to do is click on upload and pick an image if that's what you want. I've already done that, so here we go. We're going to go with Tom Cruise for this one. And then at the bottom, you're going to see we're replacing Tobey Maguire with Tom Cruise. And once you do that, that's literally all there is to it. Now, you get 2 choices, fast mode and pro mode. I'm going to go ahead and select pro mode, but do note that it does recommend having a 3000 plus NVIDIA card for this. I've only got a 2080 Ultra or something like that, but it's not too bad. So I'm going to click on OK, and then it's going to load. And now I'm going to hit start, and watch this. It's going to tell me approximately how long it's going to take. So I need to know how long I can go take my dog out for a walk. So it's going to say, it's going to take it usually takes about 5 or 6 minutes. But anyways, when it's done, okay, wow, that was fast because he's only in it for 5 seconds. Okay, even better, it's a 17-second clip. So I'll just stay on the line here. Here we go. I'll come back when it's done in like 10 seconds. All right, it's done. So here we go. We're going to click on open, and it's going to take me to where it saved it on my drive. I'm going to double click on it, and let's see what we got. We got Leonardo doing his thing. We got Tom Cruise. Look at that. That was pretty good. It's not great, but it's not too bad. It's really good for free if you ask me. So anyways, guys, that's how you do it. Free software, free AI. Thanks for watching.